All right, so that's a pretty topical overview of the FlightDesk software for your organization. I want to emphasize that again, your organization software, not just software for an organization. Again, all of these things are tailored to you. This isn't just me selling you something and then not talking to you ever again. Each one of these interactions is designed to be a partnership between your organization and telemetry flight services so we can help you grow as a capability and an asset, not a liability for your county or your corporation. I look forward to really getting this out there and helping people define what they need, identify those things, correct those things, and maintain that continual improvement process and have safe, effective, and efficient small UAS programs wherever they're needed. I would invite anybody that has any questions to email me info@telemetryflightservices.com. I'm open to any questions. You can always comment on any of these videos if you have a question about a specific module or anything, really. Hell, look me up, send me a DM or PM or smoke signal or I don't know, whatever the hell they're using to communicate nowadays. I'm really looking forward to this. I think this is going to be an extremely valuable system to a lot of different organizations out there. And I'm pretty excited about it. I'm excited to see everybody that we partner with grow and obtain that safe, effective, and efficient ideology and apply this approach and methodology to your program. So, yeah, I'm looking forward to it, guys. Let me know if you have any questions and fly safe. See ya.